Hello friends, it's Danielle with 4Patriots. Today I have an extra special message for you, just in time for the holidays. It's your chance to give yourself, and your friends and family too, the greatest gift of all, the peace of mind that comes with being fully prepared. What am I talking about? It's our amazing holiday giveaway with a total prize value of $5,441. You heard me right, that's well over $5,000 in prizes here for the taking. And one lucky winner is going to take them all home for free. You're gonna flip when you see this. And all you gotta do to enter is follow the link in the description below. Look, this year has been tough on everyone, that's for sure. So we want to do all we can to truly thank you for your continued support and help make sure you're fully prepared for whatever 2021 has in store for us. Curious about what the prizes are? I bet you are. Well, let's get to it. It all starts with getting your whole family prepared with our most critical, portable, and everyday practical survival tools, and enough for everyone. First, I'm talking about portable backup power for your cell phone and other USB power devices with not one, but 5 Patriot power cells. You don't want to leave home without this baby, and you won't have to, and neither will your loved ones. But that's just for starters, because you'll also have 5 of our popular 9-in-1 survival flashlights, favored by first responders and drivers alike. It's the Halo XT. Every car needs one because it's not just a flashlight, it's a critical lifeline if you're ever in an accident. From the seatbelt cutter to the glass-breaking hammer to a multifunction flashlight that can keep you safe and visible if you ever find yourself stuck on the side of the road. And you're getting 5 for free. Next, this holiday giveaway includes 5 of our sun kettles, the perfect way to enjoy piping hot beverages or even cook in a pinch with nothing more than the free power of the sun. It's one of our most popular items, and you're getting a bunch of them for free. Now, how would you like 5 72-hour kits to go along with those? These are sure to keep your tummies full and your hearts at ease while we cuddle up by the fire this holiday season. Now, with the holidays right around the corner, you're really gonna love this. You also get 5 USB rechargeable battery kits too. So all the things that you rely on for AA batteries that aren't rechargeable, well, guess what? Now they are. And you can power these batteries up again and again using your Patriot power cell, or even the best prize of all. That's right. This amazing holiday giveaway also includes the Patriot Power Generator 1800. The solar-powered power solution is the granddaddy of all our survival tools, and it's valued at $3,997, but one lucky winner will get it for free. Will it be you? Let's hope so, dearie, because it's the perfect peace of mind in these uncertain times, and I want you to have one on us. Think about it. All you have to do is enter, and you'll have 25 survival stocking stuffers on hand to make everyone's Christmas the most safe and prepared yet. And your own Patriot power generator to keep the lights on and you safe and comfortable if 2021 brings a major storm or something even worse. Talk about making the season bright. Now, all of the details about how to enter are in the description below. And best of all, there's 4 ways to enter. And you can rack up extra entries along the way. While you're down there getting the details, be sure to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. What are you waiting for? Get your entries in now. And good luck!